Hey there, Areli here from withhisgifts.com. Welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a brand new tutorial for you and we are going to create this gorgeous gable box. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to assemble my gable box using this here that I cut from a cut file on my Cricut using Michael's 110-pound cardstock. I will then decorate the box with some of Prima's Dulce cardstock by Frank Garcia. I have some lovely flowers here that we are going to use to decorate the box. And those flowers were cut using the Sizzix Tiny Tattered Florals. I have to do that slow or my tongue will get twisted. But I used specifically these two dies here. So they're different sizes. The leaves were cut using this Stampin' Up! Leaf punch. I have a cute little tag here that I cut using the In Love Arts stitched note tags, and specifically this die here. I don't think I mentioned that the flowers are foam. They are Kaiser Craft Art Foam. It's 0.08 millimeter thick, and I got these from where my husband works. So there's packages that I got. This is discontinued, this brand, or not the, yeah, that brand of foam sheets. Kaiser Craft no longer makes it, so I'm glad I purchased a lot of it. But you can find foam just about anywhere on Etsy, or you can cut your flowers using your favorite cardstock or pattern paper. I also have some chipboard pieces from the Dulce collection that I'm going to be using. I have a piece of a doily that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have sheer 1/8 of an inch ribbon from Stampin' Up! This is retired, but you can use any ribbon that you'd like. Then I have some white pom-pom trim from the Hobby Lobby Dollar Spot that I got around Valentine's Day. This is my last roll. I'm going to be sad to see it go because it is my favorite, but we're using that today. Also going to use some art glitter glue and my glue gun. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my bone folder, and this is already scored, so my cut file cut and scored it for me. So I'm going to go ahead and crease my score lines like so. I don't even think I need my bone folder. Or maybe I do. Okay, so we are just folding this up. Okay, and then before we assemble it, I'm going to go ahead and get this tab on the end here, like so. So this is the outside and this is my inside, so with the outside up. So the long part of my box is 1 3/4 by 3 1/4, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. So this is cut just shy of that, probably about 1/8 of an inch shorter on both sides. And then this is squared at 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. So we're just going to go ahead and put those on the box like so, but with glue. Okay, there it is with the pieces adhered to it. I do have some glue on this tab. I'm going to go ahead and close the box up, and we will do that like so. Just line it up, press down. Okay, so now we have our box assembled. Now we are going to flip the bottom, and we're going to fold these side flaps in first this one down, I'm sorry. So this one goes down first, then these, and then that one kind of snaps in like so. Just push it down like that, and there it is, all nice and assembled. So then you pinch these together and you close it up like so. All right, and there is our box covered and ready for decoration. So I am going to go ahead and grab my foam flowers. Okay, there are 4 of them. I need 3 that I'm going to cluster in this corner and 1 for my tag. So I will set this one aside for my tag. And this is where my glue gun comes in handy. So I am going to take my white one. Okay, and that one's going to go right about there. Then pink. We're going to put that one right about there. Then this one is the small one. I'm going to put that one in the corner like so. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot my pom-pom trim, but it should not be a problem. I was wondering why my box looks so funky. So we're going to trim the top and the bottom with this. So let me go ahead and get some glue. So for my other box, I used my Fabri-Tac glue, which I prefer when I'm using, okay, I gotta cut this ribbon, hold on, because it's coming off the wrong way. Left-handed people problems. All right, no I don't. We're just gonna go the other way. Like so. All right. But anyways, I was saying Fabri-Tac glue is my preferred for laying down trim. And fabric just is. Don't know why, it always has been. It's worked well. Hot glue, I'm not really good at using it. I burn myself a lot and I sometimes make a mess and my project is not as pretty. So anyways, I'm using it here because I ran out of the Fabri-Tac glue. So I have done, but I'm using it, using this, and it's working. I did use the hot glue gun to assemble my flowers, and if I were going to commit a crime, now would be it. Now would be the time, because I have no fingerprints. I completely burned my fingers like bad. Well, not bad because there's no mark, but it hurts. Okay, so we are almost to the end here on the top, like so. Just like that. I'm going to cut this piece off here. Okay, so I wanted to start this in the back, but me being left-handed kind of foiled things and I wasn't paying attention to how it's coming off the row. So there is that. And I am going to do the same thing along the bottom of my box, and I will be right back. Okay, and there is the box. I am going to work on my tag here. My tag will be a little bit different than this one here, because I had just one chipboard, one of the chipboard pieces, so I don't have duplicates. But I'm gonna recreate this as best as I can. Where's my tag? Okay, so here's my tag. First thing that I am going to do is grab this doily here, and I am going to find a little piece that I can use on the back here. Okay, let's see. Yep. Oh, too much. Okay. So just like that, I'm going to put a little bit of glue, just a little. And put it like that so it's poking out from the side, and then press down. Be careful, don't burn yourself, like that. All right, so then next I am going to, I don't know if I want it, no, that's too many flowers. I'm just gonna stick with the cotton candy, yeah. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue back of my candy cane, and I'm going to set it down on the corner like so. Then I have this cute little heart. I don't know if that works or not. I'm not going to put that on there yet. I don't know that it works, but anyways, I have some of my trim. I'm going to put some through my tag, and I'm going to tie this up the top handle of my box like so. Okay, just gonna tie a bow like so. Oops, don't bend the box, Aurelie. Okay, I have glue all over my fingertips and I can't feel my fingertips. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Then this lovely flower here, I used a glue dot actually. I did not hot glue it because I didn't want it to be permanent on there. So when you remove, you know, your tag and ribbon to open your box, you don't want to ruin the flower. So glue dot worked fine. And then I'm wondering if that heart, I don't think that heart works, and I don't have another heart that's small. Well, yeah, I have a little green one here, little mint. That might work. Let me see. That might work. Yeah, it works. It works for me. So just a little bit of glue, like, oh, a little bit of glue. I'll let you missed all that. And then I am going to carefully just layer it on top like so. And there you have it. Super duper easy, super duper quick, and super duper gorgeous. That is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you and have a great day.